What would you answer to the most annoying question?
Why are we trying to mimicate eggs?
Yalla!
So, today we are going to make such a good breakfast that Nimi will be so happy that even when I will be very old, he's not going to leave me.
We are creating today basically a guacamole spread without avocado. It really doesn't matter how we chop it, everything is going to be mashed. In our cookbook we have actually a full recipe dedicated for like vegan eggs. Some made of chickpea, made of lentils flour, made of tofu.
Kala namak is the Himalayan black salt, giving the eggy flavor and smell.
It's not mustache friendly. Goodbye!